Our special 10th anniversary year came to a fitting conclusion at our annual Founders Day event, which was our brightest and biggest yet. Over 5,000 of us came together to celebrate a special year, one in which we challenge you to thrive, and you have responded magnificently. This was a year unlike any other, with the opening of the greenhouse, which marked the completion of the building of our campus, and our hosting of the 3rd Dulwich Olympiad. But beyond that, we've been so proud to witness the enthusiasm, passion, and accomplishments of all our students, and the collective partnership between our teachers, our parents, and our students.
Happy 10 years, Dulwich College, Singapore. Happy 10 years!
Happy birthday, Dulwich College, Singapore.
Happy birthday, Dulwich College, Singapore. Happy Founders Day. Happy 10th birthday.
Happy 10-year anniversary, Dulwich College, Singapore.
Happy birthday, DCSG.
As we give ourselves a well-deserved pat on the back, we must also turn our gaze towards the future. How can we elevate ourselves from good to great, and where will this journey take us in the coming year? As announced on Founders Day, our theme for next year is Our Dulwich. Let's take a moment to appreciate the privilege that we enjoy as a member of the Dulwich family, but also recognise our responsibility to pay that good fortune forward. It's time for us all to step up, to be leaders, to be upstanders, and to be truly proud of our college. This is our time.